My dear viewers and learners, welcome, namaskar. In this video, some rules are discussed how to convert Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. My dear viewers and learners, welcome. যিহেতু এই বছৰৰ পৰা মেথমেটিক্স মানে গণিত আৰু সায়েন্স ইংৰাজীত হ'ব, সেয়েহে ক্লাছ 6ৰ মেথমেটিক্স চেপ্টাৰ 1 ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ অফ নম্বৰ এই পাৰ্টটো ইংৰাজীতে বুজাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰা হৈছে। এই পাৰ্টটোৰ অসমীয়া ভাৰ্চনটো ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন বক্সত দিয়া থাকিব, প্ৰয়োজন হ'লে এইটো চাই ল'ব পাৰিব। লেট আছ বিগিন। Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system or Indo-Arabic numeral system is a positional decimal numeral system and is the most common system for the symbolic representation of numbers in the world. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. These are Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Now, in this video, we will learn how to convert Hindu-Arabic number to Roman numerals or Roman numbers. At first, we must know this 1 represent I, 2 represent I, 2 means 2I, 3 represent 3I, 4 represent I, V, 5 represents V, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 VIII, 9 IX, 10 X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, and 1000 M. Before learning how to convert Hindu-Arabic number to Roman numbers, we must know some rules. Let us discuss rules. Rule of Roman numerals. Every time a symbol is repeated, its value is added that many number of times. And we must know that not more than 3 times. That means only 3 times we can repeat, not more than 3. As for example, 10 in Roman we have to write X. Suppose 20 means 10 plus 10, we have to write 2X, মানে XX. In this way, suppose 30 means what? 10 plus 10 plus 10, we can write X. 10 represents X. But if you want to write 40 in Roman numerals, we can't write 40 means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10, 40. If you write like this, X, then it will be incorrect because we can only repeat 3 times. It is 4 times. 40 we have to write in another way. 40 will be like this. That is 50 minus 10. That means 40. Let us now come to know second rule. The symbol of I, X, C and M are repeated. That means we can repeat this I, the symbol I, X, C and M up to how many times? 3 times, not more than 3. But V, L, D are never repeated. We can't repeat this symbol. This V for 5, L for 50, D for 500. Now come to the next rule. The smaller symbol retained after the larger symbol is added. As for example, suppose we have to write 11. 11 means what? 11 means 10 plus 1. Here it is written the smaller symbol written after the larger symbol. So that means 10 means X, this one larger symbol. And after we have to write the symbol, smaller symbol. That means 1, I represents 1 like this. Suppose here is, suppose 8. 8 means 5 plus 1 plus 1. Then how will you write? You have to write this 5. V represent 5. Then this one is larger. Then after that we have to write the smaller. Then 1 I. This 8 represent like this in Roman number. Next rule, the smaller symbol written before the larger symbol is subtracted. Suppose we have to write 9. How will you write in Roman numerals? 9 means what? We can write like this, 10 minus 1. That means this 10 represents what? X. And if it is subtracted, then you have to write this smaller before the larger one. Ix, like this. In this 4 means 5 minus 1. That means 5 minus 1. If it is minus, then the smaller one is, we have to write before the larger one. Now come to the next rule. VL and D are never written before the symbol of a larger value. We cannot write this symbol VL and D before the symbol of a larger value. Next rule, the symbol I can only be written before V and X. That means I, if we want to write before this I, we can write before V and X. Suppose 4 means we can write 5 minus 1. That means this smaller one, if it is subtracted, then smaller one we have to write first, then greater one, that is 5. In this way, this I we can write before X also. Suppose 9. 9 means 10 minus 1. That means if it is subtract, then you have to this one you have to write first, then 10x. And X can only be written before L, C, and M. Before L, before the symbol L, C, and M, we can write X only. We can't write I. And lastly, this V, if we find bar means 1000 times. This means 5 into this bar means 1000 times. That means 5000. In this way, X, if we find bar, that means this one 10 into 1000 times. This bar means 1000. That means 10,000. Now, some example. Convert the following in Roman numerals. 49, 91, 206, 587, 1490, 1449, 2019 and 5000. 49. 49 means what? 49 we can write 40 plus 9 in expanded from 40 plus 9, that means 49. Now we have to write in Roman numerals. How will we write? We know that this is 40. We can't write 40. 40 means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 times. You cannot write x plus x. Like this we can't write because we can repeat only 3 times. It is 4 times. So how will we write? We have to write like this: 50 minus 10 plus 9. That means if we find minus, then this one subtract. Whatever write, the smaller one we have to write. 10 means x and 50. L represent 50. This one 40. 9 means I x, because we know 9 means 10 minus 1. So how do we write? If it is subtraction, then this one we have to write first. 1 I represent 1, then 10, this one 9. So 49 is XLIX. Thanks for watching. In next video, remaining sums will be discussed. See you in next video.